In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer in Microsoft Designer in just 5 minutes. Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a product, or simply spreading some important information, a well-designed flyer can make all the difference. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Designer and hit Enter. This will take you to the main page of Microsoft's Design tool. Once you're here, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a Sign In button. Click on that to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can create one quickly by following the on-screen instructions. Signing in ensures that your work is saved and can be accessed from any device. Now that you're signed in, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Type Flyers into the search bar and press Enter. You'll be presented with a variety of templates specifically designed for flyers. Browse through and find one that suits the style and message you want to convey. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to begin customizing. This is where the fun begins. With Microsoft Designer, you have the freedom to make the flyer truly your own. Start by adding images that support the content of your flyer. Whether it's a striking logo or an eye-catching photo, simply upload your images and drag and drop them into place. Remember, a compelling image can capture attention and communicate your message instantly. Next, it's time to adjust the colors and fonts. These elements should align with your event or brand's theme. By doing so, you create a cohesive and professional look. Simply click on the text areas to change the font. Explore the font library to find one that matches your style. For colors, use the Color Picker tool to customize key areas of your flyer. This personalization makes your design unique and can evoke specific emotions or reactions from your audience. In addition to text and images, you might want to add other design elements like shapes or icons. Microsoft Designer offers various tools to help you with this. Experiment with different elements to see what enhances your flyer. And remember, it's all about balance and harmony, so play around until it looks just right. Once you feel satisfied with your design, it's time to download your masterpiece. Look again at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see the Download button. Click on it. For the best quality, especially if you plan on printing the flyer, selecting a PDF format is your best bet. It's professional and ensures that your work retains its quality when printed on paper. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a professional-looking flyer using Microsoft Designer. With practice, you'll become even more efficient and perhaps add more creative touches to your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope your flyer serves its purpose brilliantly.